If you really want to learn how to buy from 1688 without using agent, consider to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I'm going to show you step by step on how you can buy multiple items from supplier on 1688 without using agent. Okay, but before we dive into the tutorial, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement agent, importer, and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to buy multiple items without using agent on 1688 step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is that you need to make sure you add your products to cart. If you don't know how to add a product to cart, you can check the video on my channel. I have a lot of video about how you can add a product to cart on 1688. So after you successful adding your product to cart, what you want to do is to click on here to fill your cart. So it takes you to all the products you have in your cart. So right here, these are the products I want to purchase. These are different products from different suppliers. So for me to purchase any of these products right here, what I need to do is to make sure I click on here to select the product, click on here to select the product, and make sure I click on each of the one I want to buy. So I'm going to start from here. I'm going to click on here to select this one. Then I will scroll down. I will select this. Then I'm going to select this. Then I'm going to select this. Then I'm going to select this. And this one. And this one. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. So we can scroll down and check on the products preview, right? So these are all the products I'm going to purchase right here. So the next thing to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to payment. So I'm paying the sum of 458.90 yuan, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure my Alipay is checked. Then I have to click on down below right here to make the payment. So I have to click on here to complete the payment. Click on here to proceed. Then at this point here, I have to enter my payment password. So you can see right here that the payment is done successful. So we pay for 7 items at the price of 458.9 yuan. So I'm going to click on here now to go back to my profile. So by the time we get back to our cart, the product is going to be disappear. This is because we have paid successful. So I'm going to click on here now to visit my profile. So by the time I refresh my profile, all the products will be moved to this place right here. So you can see the product we just paid for. So if I click on here, you're going to see all the 7 products that we just paid for. So this is how you can buy multiple items from different supplier on 1688 without using agent. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.